them. Let's go. You guys can learn this. It's okay.
For many Nigerians, when we speak of steel, our minds return to Ajaokuta. We remember the promise of the crown jewel for nearly 50 years. We have nurtured the dream of becoming a regional steel powerhouse. We are now ready to make that dream a reality. We are not here to mourn missed opportunities. We are here to make the future. Since assuming office nearly 2 years ago, the present administration has embarked on a transformative journey. In September 2024, we signed a memorandum of understanding with Ties for Export TPE and its consortium. The objective is to rehabilitate and operate the Ajaokuta Steel Plant and the National Iron Ore Mining Company in Itakwe. In parallel, we have engaged other proposals from China and additional partners. A final decision is under careful review. A technical and financial audit of Ajaokuta, approved by the Bureau of Public Procurement, is currently ongoing. It will inform our next steps and shape investor selection. Our journey is not limited to old dreams. We are building new pillars. We have launched the construction of 5 mini LNG plants in Ajaokuta. These are valued at over $500 million. The project is in partnership with NNPC Limited and private sector stakeholders. We are also concluding an arrangement with the Ministry of Defense and the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DIC, that will enable us to commence the production of military hardware at the Ajaokuta Engineering Workshop. To deepen impact, we are establishing an industrial park within the Ajaokuta area. It will host a free trade zone. It will include a gas park. It will house a military industrial complex. All of this will grow from the infrastructure already in place. They will position Ajaokuta in the industrial heart of our nation. We are also working to revive the Aluminium Smelter Company of Nigeria in Ikodabasi. This has been styled by long-standing legal and operational hurdles. A new investment proposal of $465 million has been submitted by the current management. This is a 6-year plan to restore full capacity. We'll announce our position after a detailed review of the ministry's recommendations. Beyond Alstom, we are reviving other legacy assets. The management of Delta Steel Company, now Premium Steel and Mine, has committed to begin rehabilitation and operations within 18 months. This will depend on the availability of raw materials. We have also attracted a new project by Stellar Steel, part of the Inner Galagri Group. They are investing $400 million to build a new plant in Ewekoro, Ogun State. This facility will produce hot rolled coils and plates. It is a bold step towards import substitution and value addition. To sustain these efforts, we are developing a scrap aggregation policy. The goal is to structure the metal scrap industry, and we aim to reduce the vandalism of public infrastructure. We intend to restore order and traceability. Scrap collection centers will be set up across all 6 geopolitical zones, and we begin with the Southwest. We are also working with the National Assembly to strengthen the legal foundations of the industry. 3 key bills are under consideration. These are the Metallurgical Industry Bill, the National Metallurgical Training Institute Establishment Bill, and the amendment of the National Steel Council Act. These legislative efforts will provide the backbone for sustainable reform. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this summit is proof of our resolve. We are determined to make the steel industry the backbone of Nigeria's industrial future. By the year 2030, we aim to produce 10 million tons of liquid steel. We aim to create over 500,000 direct and indirect jobs. We have already developed a 10-year roadmap for the sector. We have outlined a 3-year plan for the operationalization of Ajaokuta. These plans focus on infrastructure, regulatory reform, and capacity development. But we cannot do this alone. Government can lead, but the private sector must invest.